Okay, this part solving equations you learn in Form 1. I want to do some revision for you, and this is harder, and some skills are in Form 2. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, you need to, there are 4 terms, so left hand side 2 terms, right hand side 2 terms. You need to move this term out to here. So be 0.5x minus 0.1x. And this 2.6, these 2, you can move the whole term to the right to become negative 2. And it will be negative 0.4x equal to 0.6. Okay, and then you can divide the 0.4 to the right hand side, and 6, it will be 6 over 4. Okay, and this will be 3 over 2. So x is 3 over 2. And n times 2 over 3 equal to 2, and then 2 and 1/6. You can divide 3 over 2, this 13 over 6 to the right hand side. So it will be like this, and you can cancel out, it will be 13 over 4. Okay. This one term, 2 term, 3 terms. Okay, these 2 are numbers. You can combine these 2 first. 18 plus 2 is 20. And then you can multiply x for both sides. Multiply x for both sides and then cancel before equal to 20x. And then you can divide 20 for both sides. So x will be 1 over 5. This one, okay, you have different denominators. The most easy way for you to do is to multiply the LCM, again LCM. Actually you learned it also in last year. LCM of these 3 denominator. LCM of denominator. LCM of the denominator is 6. So you can multiply a 6 to every term. Okay, and then this will be 3 times 3y plus 2 times 2 plus y minus 20. And then it will be 9y plus 4 equal to y minus 20. And then you can move the y to the left hand side. Move the 4 to the right hand side. And it will be 8y equal to negative 24. And then you divide 8 for both sides with negative 3. This one, you can move only one term. Factor 3 and n minus 6 have a fraction. You remove fraction first. Multiply 7 to right hand side and then 3 n minus 6. And you can divide a 3 there because it's just a factor, just one term. 1 and then 14. And then you can move the 6 to right hand side, so n will be 20. Okay, for this one, you can multiply 4. Okay, this one denominator is 1. Okay, this one actually is t over 1. This one is 6 over 1, but I don't write it out. You can multiply 4 to every term. So it will be 40. It will be 4 and then cancel out, it will be t minus 3. But remember to bracket because minus the whole term equal to 24. Before t minus t plus 3 equal to 24. Many people get this wrong because you don't bracket them. With 3t equal to move 21, so t will be 7. Okay, the idea of fraction equations is no fractions. Don't like fractions, so I have to multiply the LCM of 7, 4, and 2. The LCM is 28. Okay, so you need to multiply 4 times 28 for all the terms. So 28 over 7 is, you will have a 4 here. So x minus 2. And then 28 over 4 will be a 7. And 28 over 2 will be a 14. So you multiply 28 for every term. And you need to bracket, of course, negative, negative, positive. Don't make this mistake. X 4x minus 8 minus 28x plus 100 and 05. So it'll be 52, 30, 42x plus 112. Okay, so you can simplify the left hand side first. Don't do cancellation or moving terms so fast. So mean negative 24x and then plus 97 equal to 42x plus 112. And then you can move the negative 24x to right hand side, become positive 24x. Move the 112 to left hand side, and this will be 66x. This will be 97 minus 112. 112 minus 97 is 5 and 15, so we negative 15. So it will be negative 15 over 66. Can it be simplified? Okay. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So these two are factors of 3. If you add the digits together is factors of 3, then this number is factors of 3. So they are factors of 3. So you can simplify it, negative 5 over 22. Okay, this one not difficult to why. Just test your understanding on removing bracket. Minus 10 equal to 5y plus 5. Y minus 10 equal to 5y plus 5. So it'll be 4y. Okay, this will be negative 15. So y will be negative 15 over 4. Number 9. Okay. Quite technical. Minus the bracket times bracket. Okay, if you remember, you have to use a bracket to carry them. 10x squared plus 12x plus 60x plus 72 with 100 minus, and then will be 4 minus 10x squared. And it will be 100 minus the whole thing, 10x squared plus 72x plus 72 equal to 4 minus 10x squared. So it'll be 100 minus 10x squared minus 22x minus 22 equal to 4. Okay, remember when you remove the bracket, these two. So there's no space here, I move it here. So I combine these two first. So we negative 10x squared minus 22x plus 28 equal to 4 minus 10x squared. Both sides got the same thing, you can cancel it out. So it'll be negative 72x plus 28 equal to 4, and then you can move the 28 to right hand side. So it'll be 4 minus 28, it'll be negative 24. So x will be negative 24 over negative 22. So it is 1/3.